How to add a 3D effect to text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the clip where you want to add the 3D text. Right-click on it and choose Open in Fusion page to enter the Fusion workspace. Next, add a 3D text node by right-clicking in the node area, going to Add Tool, then 3D and selecting Text 3D. You can also use the toolbar if it's more convenient. After placing the node, right-click on it and choose View On. Then select either the left or right viewer to see your text. Now, customize your 3D text in the Inspector panel. You can modify the font, size, depth, extrusion, and other visual styles to match your design. This gives you full control over how the 3D text appear. After that, connect the 3D text node to a Merge 3D node. This lets you combine your text with other 3D elements if needed. Then, link the Merge 3D node to a Renderer 3D node, which converts the 3D scene into a 2D output that's compatible with the timeline. Next, connect the Renderer 3D node to the Media In node. This completes the node structure and sends your 3D text effect back to the main timeline. To enhance the realism of your 3D text, add a camera 3D or a directional light node. The camera allows you to animate movements and angle, while the light adds depth and highlights. Finally, use keyframes to animate your text or camera for a dynamic result. Return to the edit page and preview the timeline to see the 3D effect in action. And that's it. Now you know how to add a 3D effect to text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.